Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aakash Savan, and today we are going to doing something fun. And we'll try. I'm just asking couple of questions for you. Just do couple of things here. So, have you ever played GTA Vice City? You run around the city, complete the missions, buy cool things, you do the criminal activities, right? So, this is a particular activity, particular game they will use. Have you wondered how does this game store your player progress? How does it know your name and experience points, money or weapons? So today we will be going to learn how games like a GTA work behind the scenes using Python. So and don't worry, even if you are beginner, so I will be completely explaining you everything super simple. Let's go. So today in this particular video, let's go get dive into the agenda first, so that you will make a particular things here. Understanding RPGs, role-playing games, work and building a mini GTA Vice City system, and we'll be going to understand how RPGs, playing games, work and build a mini GTA Vice City system, and we will be having at the last. Okay. So secondly, we will be going to understand, learn a Python data structures like string lists, dictionaries, and more. Okay. And the last, we will be having a fun activity. So I will get two times here. We'll be going to learn Python data structures like strings, list, dictionary, and more. So first of all, we'll get back to our understanding. What is a RPGs first of all? Okay. Okay. So what is an RPG? Before we talk about GTA, let's understand what's an RPG game is. Role playing game means you become a character in the game. You control the player, complete the missions, level up and earn rewards. Cool stuff like weapons, cars, right? So GTA Vice City is a role playing game. You play as a Tommy Versity, runs around the city, complete the quest and make money. So now let's build a simple version of GTA using Python. Don't worry, we'll take a baby steps. Okay, so what is an use case here? Use case, step number one. We'll try to have it now. Step number, use case MVP for a GTA Vice City. Alright, so you will be understanding a lot more cool stuff here. So that makes sense here out of it. So step number one, you have to uh, use cases building a GTA Vice City. MVP of GTA Vice City. Imagine we are building a mini GTA game. What do we need? Let's break it down. Number one, we need player profile management. Okay, so player profile management. So number one, here we need a player profile management here. So we need to store the player names, level, extra points, achievements. How do we do? We use a dictionary in Python, something called as a dict in Python code. So how we will be gonna do that basically? So let's say we wanted to store the this particular player. Okay. So what we need to do? Let's say this is a particular like I will be not writing a code, so you can just executing the code that you can do by your side, but the motive of this particular session is not about executing the code. You will be gonna do that. You can use any out there, any particular video will be demonstrating that. Here in this particular video, main focusing all about understanding particularly how you will be gonna understand with respect to the use cases basically. That is what this channel motive is all about. Okay, so let's get one particular thing, folks. Let me treat it. So here we understand this. So we have to. I will explain what couple of things here now. Okay. So let me draw a topic over here. This one is something, folks. So let's get the dive into the book. So I will explain you. So see here. Now we'll take here. Okay. So here, let's say the player. Now it has a name, level, and experience and achievements. Okay. So he has done something achievements. So this is like this. We can think of. We have to store the player name. level, experience, extra points, how much he has done, and achievements. Did he completed the first mission, second mission, third mission, or fourth mission? So think of it this diary like a notebook where it stores everything in one place. Like if you've seen in the content page of any dashboard, chapter 1, it is there in this particular description, and this particular chapter, it is in the this particular page number, correct? So think of it like that. So number 2, we have to build an inventory system. So what this inventory system is all about, let's say in GTA you collect the weapons, money, other cool items, correct? How do we store them? So we will be gonna store such and such kind of a thing in a real game, in kind of a listed data structure, which is the Python. The Python you can relate it. So if you wanted to think of like this, right? If you wanted to build certain like this, right? So you have to think like that. Okay. So this is one. This is the one. So I'm just writing it so that let me know, folks, in the comment down below if you want this particular uh, kind of a explanation it is liking a lot. So let me know that, comment down below. So here I'm just trying to execute this particular thing. Okay, so everyone is executing this just for a use case. I'm just showing it to you. Think of it list like a shopping bag. You can add, can remove. So as the level grows, you couple of it with your inventory, right? You add some in like thunder cable or some the cheat codes are there, right? So that you can also store it in this particular kind of a things, right? So XP and level system. Now if you wanted to have, if you are completing a mission, you gain experience points, correct? And you level up. How do we store that? With an integers, right? So how does that can be done? So level equal to 1, something like this, something like this, you can have it, right? So initially 1, if he has passed some, you can increment it to 500, then you can increment the level is equal to 1. If it is greater than equal to 500, you have to increment the level. To certain kind of things you can have it, something like that, related to same tools. Okay. Another thing is item description, another use case. So each item, weapons, potions need a description, correct? So deadly pistol with 9 mm rounds. So you will be going to print that kind of a thing. So you want a string in there. You have to store them with the using of the double quotes, which we call it as a string data structure in Python. Basically, think of string like a name tag. So now another use case, game currency and damage calculations. Right? For that, what you can do is you can store a floating points here. Right? Let's say decimal point, anything is there. Right? So it is nothing but a floating point. So that we will be gonna do. If you wanted to check it, just type. You will be getting any videos. If you are out of search it, will get it. So this core motive was of this only to demonstrate you how this particular use case related to it. So another particular use case here, quest and achievement tracking. In GTA, you complete the mission. How do we track if a mission is done? How can we track? So we can track it using Boolean data type, right? So if checking if the quest is done or not, something related to it. So mission completed equal to true. True is what? Boolean value. If mission completed, print congratulations, mission complete. Something has come in, right? So if you have played the GTA Vice City, you can relate those use cases, correct? So these are the particular use case that I wanted to tell you. So what did we learn in this particular? We learned about strings, we learned about integers, we learned about list, dictionary, and boolean with respect to that. So strings with what aspects? Name, description, integers, experience and levels, floats. These are the things. So main motive in my channel is not don't go in a depth. Okay, don't go into the technical details how this particular is going to do it. That all things will be gonna explain it. Okay, internal details why you wanna do that. So build a project around it. That is what my core motive in this whole channel basically, folks. Okay, right now what we'll be gonna do it is we'll try to understand. Now take a one particular fun activity. So what you will be gonna do is you will be creating your own simple GTA player system in Python. Your system should ask the user for their player name, assign a starting level and XP, give the player as a starter inventory, print a summary of the player profile. So this is just a simple thing, not a creating a complex game. Just a simple activity. How you are thinking as a programming perspective. Any programming you take it, everything has fundamental concepts. Just understand. Try to understand like this, folks. If you want guidance with me, you can just reach out to me. Okay, so I have a document link as well, so you can reach out to me. So to discuss unique experience, you will get it. So it's not all about like you just have a free consultation with me. So you will be going to get it. Like it's not a free consultation. Initially, I charge for 120 rupees, so it's very less as a to understand, get a better perspective basically. If something is free, no one will value that. So that's why I made this particular. Okay. So now let's get back here. Pseudocode. In the pseudocode, what we need to do? What is a pseudocode? So we are just writing a flow over here. What should happen? You should ask the user for a player name. First, you have to assign the default level XP. So step number one, what you need to do? I will write this for you, folks. Okay. So first of all, you want step one. What you need to do is you have to get the player input. Okay. Okay. Step number two, you have to assign a level, experience, and inventory. Okay. Initially, it gets started with the mission one. So what I will do, inventory, baseball bat, or something like just for an example I have taken. So you just comment down below what things you have added into your couple of things. So you have to implement it. Just learn. Learning the things will not help you, folks. So if you implement it in the project only, it will help you out. So step three, we need to display the player info. So what we need to do? We need a player name. We need to get the player level, experience points, inventory. Okay, so these three things we wanted basically. So we just have and execute this particular thing. Just let me know. Okay, so see here, character name Tommy Vice Vice. So now see here. Okay, so this is what the done for this particular video, folks. So this was it from my side, like to explain you this data structure in very simple way. So if you guys like this particular video, just that's it. Just build a GTA player system in Python. If you enjoy this, drop a comment with your customer GTA player. Want more game coding tutorials? Smash it, like, subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next one. Okay, so that's what my way of explaining this particular programming concepts, not too technical, explaining basically for your experiences. Basically, if you are non-tech or tech, it doesn't matter, folks. If you wanted to like guidance with me, you can just reach out to me. This I will be there for you, and I will be explaining each and every aspect and making very simple things. Getting a job is not hard, but just core fundamental things. If you apply it, is very critical. Okay, everyone is talking about fundamentals. Fundamentals are important, but not too depth into it. It is important. Okay, so you have to understand one thing, core thing. Don't go in the technical stuff. First, try to understand, try to learn one particular thing, how you can build a project and do it. This is what matters a lot. So that's short of this particular video. If you like this particular, please hit smash like, hit a target of like 100 likes. That is what I mean. That's all for this particular video, folks. We'll meet you in the next video.